everyone, it's Lori with Artrageous. Thanks for tuning in today. It's Wednesday, a lovely day for doing some crazy crafts as we turn isolation into inspiration. Now for today, we're going to do some paper marbleizing. And you guys, this is the funnest, easiest, simplest, craziest craft that I've ever done, and I love doing it. So let's go over what you're going to need for when you guys do this at home. So you're going to need a place covering for your space. You'll need a ruler, or I use a paint stick. You're going to need something with a thin end, maybe a chopstick or a toothpick or something to spread out the colors. You're going to need a bin. That's where you'll put your shaving cream. You're going to need shaving cream. The foamy kind is the best. You are going to need food coloring. Any colors, all colors, so much fun. Paper towels are great. Gloves, because look, you will end up like an Easter egg if you don't. Scissors, tape, a ruler, a pen, and some paper, and of course paper towels. Now I'm using this kind of like thicker, it could be like photo paper, or yeah, it's just a little bit thicker than normal paper. It's got one shiny side. So let's get started. Okay, getting the gloves on because we don't need any more colors on these hands. I'll show you a few little examples that I did earlier. So this, look how nice that turned out. Nicely marbleized. That's 4 colors. And you're wondering, what do I do with this marbleized paper once I'm done? Well, I have some ideas for you. You could turn it into a book cover. You can put it in a picture frame and use the glass of the picture frame as a dry erase board to write notes. You can make bookmarks out of it, and voila, your Christmas shopping is done. So yeah, there's so many different things you can do. Today we're going to just focus on bookmarks. So get your shaving cream, make sure it's nice and foamy and shaken up. Then you're just going to line your little pan here with it. I've also used a cookie sheet before, and that works just as good. Might even be better because it's a little bit lower on the sides. So you're just going to fill this whole thing here with a nice layer of shaving cream. And guess what? It smells so nice in here now. And then you're going to just smooth it out. You can use your hand or your ruler, whatever you like. I like to love the feeling of it, so I like to get my hands in there. Okay, now here comes the fun designing part. So you can do as many colors as you want, and I find the more colors and the more food coloring you use, the better, because then you're not going to get these blank spots. Okay, what colors shall we use? Jaden, do you have any suggestions? We have like a red, a blue, a pink, and like a neon green. Or would you like to use all of them?
How about all of them?
All of them. Yeah. It's a little bit Eastery, isn't it?
Yeah.
It kind of looks like an Easter egg. So first we're going to do the pink because, as everyone knows, pink is my favorite color. So we're just going to spread it out here on the shaving cream. As much as we want. I do like a lot of pink, so we're going to do mostly pink. And sometimes you just add as you go, like maybe you'll do a second run of all of these colors and it turns out so differently. So this one, we're going to just do a few little spots here and there. And now blue. Okay, can everyone see what's going on here? See that? Okay, we're going to save the green because I don't want too much green. So now you're going to take the end of your toothpick or chopstick, or I'm just using a very fine paintbrush, and you're going to kind of just spread it out like this. Make a nice design. Ooh, this is looking very cool. And now I'm going to take my green. Ooh, there's shaving cream everywhere. Don't worry. We'll get that later. Okay, so now we're going to take the green and we're just going to put a few dots because I don't want too much green. And I think I'm not going to spread the green out either. How's that looking? Yeah, you like it? Very nice. Okay, so now we're going to take the paper and we're going to use the shiny side. We're going to put the shiny side. If you only have regular paper, don't worry about it. Just use whatever you have. Cardstock or colors sometimes look really cool too. So we're going to just take the shiny side and we're going to just lay it right down into the shaving cream. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what this looks like. So much fun. Oh, I really love what I thought was like red is actually purpley. So let's see. So I'm just going to push it down in all the corners just so that I can make sure that I got all of it. Oh my gosh, that is looking mighty nice. Then we're going to take our straight edge and we're just going to push it across like that just to get all the excess shaving cream off. Now, oh, that looks nice too. I almost want to get rid of that. Wow, I wonder what we could do with that. That's so cool. Okay, so now let's get the little remnants off with a piece of paper towel. And it won't really change your design. And there we go, just like that. You have a piece of marbleized paper. Didn't that turn out fancy? I love it. I wonder what, if you were at a office and they said, what do you see in this? I wonder what you would see. It's so cool. I see a lot of hearts. What do you think, Jaden? Do you like how it turned out?
Yeah, it looks really cool.
So now, in order to make a bookmark, it's a super simple process, and I'll show you what to do. Actually, before we do that, why don't we do another run of this and see what happens, because I'm going to just take my brush and go this way with it, because I'm seeing lots of very cool designs. Okay, we're going to try another one. Here we go. Wait, I want to show you what that looks like inside. Pretty cool, right? Okay, we're going to just push it down, push the paper down inside the shaving cream. And then, ready? Here we go. Oh, this one's even cooler. I'm really liking that corner right there. Okay, and then we're just going to get the shaving cream off. Oh, this one's really cool, you guys. Okay, we'll leave that there for now. And then we're going to just wipe the excess off here like this. Ooh, I really like this one. Check it out. How cool is that? Now you guys can use like as many or as little colors as you want. I did a couple that just had a few colors. So that's just 3 colors, and then there was a simpler one with just the red or the pink and the purple, and then there's one with all colors. So in order to make your bookmark, what you're going to do is take your ruler and find the piece that you like. I kind of like this spot right here. My ruler's like the perfect width to just take your pen and go on one side and the other. And then what I do is cut it. Yes. Oh, this one is just really pretty. I love how the colors blended in the second run. And I wonder if you just kept using it, what it would look like. It would be very cool, I'm sure. Okay. So, at this point, you could write on it in Sharpie, like maybe you want to say read or dream or create, all words that Artrageous uses. And then I just use this packing tape, and all I do is just lay it down on one side, flip it over. You kind of have to be careful of this, but don't worry, you can trim it if it turns out funky. Just like that. And then you're just going to trim it. And you can always use a hole punch to punch a hole in. I just used my scissors because I couldn't find a hole punch at the time. I'm just going to trim up the tape. Just like that. Voila, you've got a bookmark. Isn't that cool? And so much fun, you guys. It's such a super easy, simple craft, and you probably have all this stuff at home that you can do with your kids and make a mess and have a great time and come up with some really fun bookmarks you can give away for Christmas, or you can put in Easter baskets or whatever. So simple, quick, easy, and fun. Doesn't get much better than that. So I hope you had a great time. If you do make marbleized paper and you want to share it, I'd love to see what you do with it. Maybe you're going to do a book cover or other things. I would love to see what you're inspired to do. But share it in the comments below. And so tune in, guys. Thanks for spending a little bit of time with me today. I hope you had fun. I know I sure did. And we'll see you tomorrow.